Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to spot for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most rugged, trail-ready trucks out there, the 2025 Jeep Gladiator. Now, if you're a fan of off-roading, open-air, freedom, or just want a truck that stands out in a crowd, the Gladiator has probably already caught your eye. But what's new for 2025? And is it really worth your hard-earned cash? Stick around, because we've got a full breakdown coming your way. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Gladiator stays true to its iconic Jeep roots. That signature 7-slot grille, round headlights, and bold stance are still very much here. But look closer, and you'll notice a few modern touches. Jeep has subtly redesigned the front fascia for better aerodynamics, and there's a new LED lighting package that gives it a sharper, more aggressive look, especially at night. The wheel options have also expanded, with 17 to 20-inch choices that cater to both hardcore off-roaders and city cruisers. Under the hood, the big news is the upgraded powertrain options. The standard engine remains the reliable 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, pushing out 285 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. But Jeep has fine-tuned it for slightly better fuel efficiency this year. There's also the continued availability of the 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 for those who want more torque. We're talking 442 lb-ft, which is perfect for towing or tackling rough terrain. And while there's still no full electric version, Jeep has hinted that a plug-in hybrid 4xe model could be on the horizon. So stay tuned. One of the standout updates this year is in the interior. Jeep has listened to user feedback, and the 2025 Gladiator comes with a much improved infotainment system. The new Uconnect 5 platform now sits in a 12.3-inch touchscreen standard on most trims, offering quicker response times, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and better voice recognition. Plus, the layout is cleaner and more intuitive, a huge upgrade for those who spend a lot of time behind the wheel. Comfort and practicality have also taken a step up. The seats offer better cushioning and bolstering, especially in the front row, which helps reduce fatigue during long drives. Rear passengers get more USB-C ports, and overall storage has been enhanced with smart compartments built into the doors and under the seats. It's still not the most luxurious cabin in the mid-size truck segment, but it feels more refined than previous models. And for a Jeep, that's a win. Now let's talk off-road. Because if you're buying a Gladiator, chances are you're going to use it for more than grocery runs. The Rubicon trim remains the king of the trail, with locking differentials, rock rails, skid plates, and the legendary RockTrack 4R4 system. Jeep has also improved ground clearance slightly and retuned the suspension for better articulation. New for 2025 is a trail camera system that gives you a live feed of what's directly in front of or underneath the vehicle. An absolute game-changer for technical rock crawling. On-road driving has also improved. The 2025 Gladiator rides smoother, thanks to revised shock tuning, especially on the Overland and Mojave trims. Steering feel is more precise, and cabin noise is better controlled than in past years. It's not a luxury SUV by any means, but it's more livable on the highway and in urban environments than you might expect. Safety tech also gets a boost. Jeep has added adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring as standard. On more trims, parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system are available too, making this rugged truck a lot more manageable in tight spots. Pricing starts just over $40,000 and goes up depending on trim and options. That puts the Gladiator on the higher end of the mid-size pickup market, but considering its dual nature, a true off-roader and a capable truck, it still offers solid value, especially for Jeep enthusiasts. So, is the 2025 Jeep Gladiator worth it? If you want a truck that can haul, tow, and hit the trail without breaking a sweat, while still giving you that open-air freedom only a Jeep can offer, then yes, absolutely. It's not perfect, but it's unique, fun, and seriously capable. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to Car Reviewpedia for more honest takes on the latest rides. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the new Gladiator. Would you pick one over a Tacoma or Ranger, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.